Hi guys, this is Panache, aka Maija. So today I'm bringing you our ultra soft blankets, which are meant to keep you locked in warm without the weight of cost, because they don't.
Using irresistible. You said you and the air was all that I needed not to die. A terrible, terrible high. I don't know.
It's ladies out there, I'm appealing to you. Please do come and search these blankets for your mother-in-laws, for your grandmothers, for your grandfathers, for your husbands, for your children. Okay, and keep them warm this winter. Cheers!